Hey, happy Tuesday, 8th graders. This is what I need you to do if you were absent from class today. I had to post this a little bit later than I normally do because we had a surprise visit to class today. And I recorded that visit and now I'm posting it. But we had a surprise visit from Martin Luther. He came all the way from the 1500s to come and visit us today. So what I need you to do is watch this video about or of our Martin Luther surprise. Now I didn't hit record right away, so you miss him pounding on the door with his hammer and nailing up the 95 Theses. But I think you're going to get the idea. Just follow the instructions in there. You do have to fill out some notes as he talks, but it's all explained in there. So first, watch the video of the Martin Luther surprise and then submit the notes that you're asked to take on it. Then you might have seen that there is a Christopher Columbus response in classroom. You are not going to do it like the other kids in class did it because you missed out on our discussion. So I'm going to pare it down for you as absent students just a little bit. There is a resource page in that post where it lists all these 6 resources. The first direction says to watch video 1 and video number 2 on the resource page. Okay, so you're going to watch video 1, which you might need a password for that I will post, and watch video number 2. Okay, what you're trying to decide is why we celebrate Columbus Day, and is it a good idea to do it, to celebrate Columbus Day? So in that response section of the classroom question, list 6 things that you learned from those 2 videos. Okay, give me a good sentence or 2 for each thing. Then I want you to read article number 3. And then this is actually out of the state legislature, the actual law that was passed by South Dakota. So look at those 2 resources and then answer this to me. How in South Dakota do we celebrate the second Monday in October, and why? Okay, what has the state of South Dakota decided to do? And then submit your response when you are done. So both of these will be in the response section of the Christopher Columbus response. Don't worry about the last 2 links. We did something with those in class, but so kind of ignore the directions in the Christopher Columbus response that is posted, and do it the way that I asked you to do it here. Just since you missed out some of the discussion, we'll just make it more things that you learned than maybe an opinion that you have. All right? Please email me if you have any questions. Have a great day.